was looking at the results of the study, I was thinking, what's in this that helps to reveal for us what are the things the CCO will need to be able to be good at? And I think there's a lot here, actually. The 7 dimensions of PR leadership, that model that's in here, very interesting. A lot of things about self-insights, which Bruce mentioned, and ethical orientation. The soft skills, which again, Bruce made a good point of. And thirdly, and this is kind of the leading finding, the skills related to dealing with the speed and volume of information. How do we understand this world? What's important out of all this? And skills related to the digital revolution, which I think, as I've understood the study, means how to use social media. And I think the realization that we can deliver, we can transform also. We can use the same opportunities and skills.
I always start with, what is the most important question we need to answer as public relations scholars and practitioners? For me, that question always comes back to how does public relations make an organization more effective? And in doing so, since we are a profession, not a trade, how do we contribute to society and the different ways we can help organizations serve the public interest in its various forms? So in essence, when thinking about any practical issue affecting the field, such as leadership, I start at the end of the cause and effect chain, where public relations is the cause, and we begin by asking ourselves, to what effect? Researchers study the public relations behaviors of individuals, departments, organizations, and societies to understand, explain, predict, and/or control some effect. For me, the most important outcome, of course, is organizational effectiveness. And in the context we've been talking about here today, leadership becomes an important predictor variable that helps us understand how to make public relations and organizations more effective.
We need to go back to some of the basics in both global knowledge, business expertise, and most of all, I'm going to sound like a fuddy-duddy now, but maybe I am, writing skills. The ability to be persuasive and compelling and simple is the most important thing that we do in PR. And so I just look at all of those 3 things, you know, what's important to me, what surprised me, and what I think I'll do something about, taking away from this study. And I have to say, there's so much here that I'm just amazed at it, and it is really, really important for corporate practitioners like us to pay attention to this stuff. It's somewhat hard to get through sometimes, Keith, because of I'm not a statistical person, but the way you guys have framed it today is really outstanding. So thanks.